Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write SOUNDCORE. Now search, and you should install this application, what called SOUNDCORE. And now open it. Click Agree and Continue. Right here you can sign in into your account or create a new one. You at the right top you can select your region, but I'm going to skip it by tap at the skip button at the left top. Now, if you need notification, click Allow. If you don't need it, click Do Not Allow. Then tap Add Device and Allow. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!